Hi. Wiring. Got me halfway through as normal. So, what we got so far? A mess of wires on the ground. Ah, well, I've actually run out of cable. I've got that much left, which is not going to do very much, to be absolutely fair. So what we got? I think that's the question. Oh, messy hair, sorry. We've got a solar panel. We've got switch panels, which are in the rear for the van. So there'll be a rear switch panel. There'll be a front switch panel, which is by the door, which will be about here somewhere. We have another switch panel side of the bed, which is over here somewhere, wherever that is. And I think that's about it. Got a battery box there. Don't worry about it being a mess, there's nothing connected yet. And I've just strapped all those cables down just to stop them flying about, but they are disconnected. The positive off there, positive lead is taped up, nothing else connected to it. Solar panel controller, it's crap, absolute 100% rubbish. So in the middle of changing that. We'll get all this tidied up. But at the moment, made a start on the wiring. So I've ended up with this ball of cables. I just thought I'd document it, just so you can see what we've got and how it starts. And as I say, I've run out of cable. I started off with half a roll of 1mm tri-rated. I've got some 1.5mm, which is 100 metres, and that's what's left, which is not a whole lot, to be fair. And so far I've only done the bit for the roof, the solar panel up there. We go up there. Okay, so since you saw it last, there's actually a box appeared on the roof. That hole goes right the way down to the underside of the there we go. That comes to the same place. Same solar panels on the Vivaro, same lifter. So yeah, but we'd document it at this point and just add to it and see if anything interesting happens. Hi, just here doing my light bar. Having a play. I've got 3 cameras, 3 work lights, 2 flashing red lights, 4 flashing orange lights, 3 transmit aerials and 2 4G aerials. So it's been a bit of a project really. All coming in through this box up on the roof, and the box is starting to get a few cables in. Here's inside the box. There's all my wires so far. There's my hole, there's my bit of plastic in the middle. It's a bit of a pain to get rid of, but I'll get that the right way around. And that, get rid of that beautifully.